Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a whole year since my last video. I've moved since then and we rented this place sight unseen, where this place doesn't have a whole lot of natural light, and so I didn't think it was the best place for YouTube videos, but I'm trying to embrace it now and keep this thing going, I hope. Today I have a Chanel haul, and these are pieces I got from Fashionphile, which is the place I got my last Chanel bag. Actually no, I've gotten a new Chanel bag since then, from the RealReal, but yeah, they're from Fashionphile and I'll get into it. So it comes like this, and I'm not in love with how Fashionphile packages things. They come with like a bunch of confetti and it's really silly and tacky. And yeah, they come with the dust bags for each of the shoes. Oh yeah, so I got shoes, and these I got because I wear platform boots every day. I'm 5'1", and so I like that extra height and comfort. And I wear these like Doc Martens every day. I have them here actually. So these are the shoes I wear every single day. They're kind of perfect, like they go with everything. And I did feel like I need an upgrade. I've been wearing those for like 3 years and they're still holding up really well, but we were shopping at Nordstrom Rack the other week and I was looking at new season Chanel shoes, and I wasn't in love with a single pair enough to like buy at the store. My husband really wanted to help me upgrade and buy them for me, so I did find these online, and yeah, I picked these out. So these, I don't know like when these are from or like the style number or anything, but they're platform boots. I think they have like a 2-inch heel here, and they're really simple. I'm really liking like the Chanel CC cap toe. I believe they do this in patent leather a lot, but I did not really like that. It kind of made the shoes look a bit clowny, if that makes sense, like clown shoes for some reason. And I do think I'm kind of more of like a minimalist. And the only other design detail I would say is these pearl things. And I guess this pull tab that says Chanel. So I really like the Chanel branding, and yeah, these are really nice quality. Like even the inside lining feels like really soft calfskin. And I did try these on, and they don't actually compare to my Doc Martens, to be honest. Basically, the reason why is the platform is higher on my Doc Martens, and so, you know, I feel cool, I feel tall in those, and I bought them actually thinking they were the same height, but it turns out they're not, and they're also not as comfortable. I do have air soles in my Doc Martens, and so I'm thinking I can just put like air soles in these as well. So yeah, I was honestly a little disappointed and like thinking I would return them, but I do want to try these out. They were a gift, and it's just nice, right? I feel like a lot of people who are buying Chanel shoes are like buying the brand more so than the product. It like goes both ways. This, at the end of the day, is still a very practical shoe to own. I'm probably gonna wear it. Anyway, yeah, these are the shoes. And they are really cute. They're definitely like staple pieces. They'll go with anything. Maybe the reason why I'm kind of like not that excited about them is probably because they are a staple item and I probably wanted something more fun. But yeah, I do think these will be a good piece in my closet. And then the other thing I also picked up, and the only reason I picked this up is because Fashionphile was doing this thing where you spend $1,500 and then you get a $300 gift card, and you have to use it before December 30th, 31st, before the end of the year. I don't know, $300 off your next purchase just sounded really like a good deal. Fashionphile doesn't have sales, and I will say Fashionphile is probably my favorite luxury consignment store online. They have the best curation, in my opinion. They also have really more competitive prices, I feel like, and yeah, they just have really good pieces. So this is the next thing I got. This is a navy lambskin Chanel card holder in the boy style, if you recognize these little grooves and like that logo plate. Brushed gold. I love this. I think it's so cool. I love that it's not like the basic Chanel card holder, you know, with just like the caviar and the CC, and it's very basic. I love that this has more design elements in it, I guess. I kind of love that it's lambskin as well. It's super, super soft. And card holders are honestly like my favorite form of a wallet. I don't like to carry that much on me, and so yeah, I'm super happy about this one. I've never actually bought like an expensive wallet before. This was $490, and so this is actually the most I've ever spent on a wallet. Usually with wallets, I'm kind of a magpie and I like sparkly pink cheap things, and I'll just have like a cheap wallet. But yeah, this feels really grown up in terms of the direction I'm going, I guess, with purchases. And it's something I've been thinking about for a while. It's just like kind of investing in more forever pieces, I guess, and just having nicer things, like less things, but like nicer things. So yeah. So I wanted to get into luxury and thoughts about what my luxury wish list would be for the rest of the year. My birthday is kind of coming up. It's like end of November. It's my 30th birthday too, so it feels like a big one. And I know I want a bag. Like I always want a bag. Like a designer bag has always been something I do buy and invest in, and this is kind of new for me, to be honest, like to have like designer shoes and accessories like this. By the way, these were $1,100 without tax. I think with tax it was probably like $1,200. And new retail Chanel boots like these are going for $1,800. So I'm living in California, so with tax that would be like 2,000 maybe. Like that's kind of crazy. I'm honestly not that interested in luxury clothing, and it's mostly accessories. I have been dying to get something from Celine. Eddie Slimane is probably my favorite what's the word, creative director that I just really love his stuff. I love that his stuff always references music and like styles from music eras. I don't know if that makes sense, but anyone who's familiar with Eddie Slimane would definitely know like what I'm talking about. I remember when he was at Saint Laurent, and I was so obsessed with his collections. Okay, I don't know, I'm rambling now. But going back to Celine, I would love to get something from Celine now. I've been really interested in these platform sneakers for a while. Maybe I'll insert like a photo here. But I've been super into these sneakers. I did try them on at the same trip to Neiman Marcus, and I thought I wouldn't like them, but it turns out I'm obsessed. They are sold out in my size worldwide. Like you can't really find Celine pieces unless you go to the boutique or you go online. Or I know of 24 Sevres. It's basically Le Bon Marche's online luxury store, and Le Bon Marché is a famous department store in Paris. So yeah, I'm checking like all the time to see when those shoes come back in stock. Again, like I said, platforms I know are like the best match for my lifestyle and what I like. So to have really nice like sneaker versions of that would be amazing. The platforms are also super high, so they make you feel tall. And to get into bags, if I was to get another bag this year, I think, again, it would probably be an investment piece, like a classic. I do have 2 Chanel bags now, and I think Chanel is probably becoming my favorite brand for bags specifically. So I just know it would be a smarter decision long term if I went with Chanel again and bought something classic from them. Probably, the classic flap. Yeah, it's just really expensive, and I'm actually, when I talk about wanting the Chanel flap, I'm not actually talking about getting it new from the boutique, actually. That's wild. Like, I don't think that bag is worth $10,000, like $9,000, like it's not. But when I say I'm thinking about getting it, I'm talking about the vintage versions. I do really love the quality of the vintage Chanel bags. The lambskin is so buttery and so soft. The hardware is 24 karat gold plated. It's completely different in terms of quality. So that's probably the bag that I would be really happy about. I'm definitely moving away from trend bags. I'm someone who has like rotated her closet like all the time, where I'm always like selling things off that I don't feel like are gonna be forever pieces anymore, and I'm really like lazy about that now. Like I don't want to keep having to like sell things and just like consume, I guess. Like I want something that will go with everything and I know it won't go out of style, and the quality is there. So it's either the brown or the black vintage styles. Brown is super rare. You're not really going to find that too often, and the condition is also going to be a little bit questionable, I guess, because black, like nothing really shows on black, but when it gets to brown, you can see like the aging of the leather and things like that. And then another Chanel bag that I'm actually probably more obsessed with is the small Gabrielle hobo bag. So I'll insert it here if you're not familiar, but this bag is something that I was like drooling over when I first saw the marketing for it being launched. I specifically was obsessed with the navy and black version of that bag, and I think it's probably because of this one influencer actually. I don't know why I'm blanking on her name. I'm pretty obsessed with that bag. I love how the hardware is both silver and gold on that. It'll like just help you wear whatever jewelry you feel like wearing that day if you like feel like matching it. I love that you can wear it multiple ways. It's pretty small, I will say. It's like kind of a mini bag, but it's no way near like the mini bags that are coming out now. I did hear that Chanel's phasing them out now, so I do feel like the value of having that bag is going to go up too. Not that that's like a reason why I would buy it, but they are going to be harder and harder to find if you're after that bag, and so I feel like it might be a good idea to choose that over the classic flap right now. I don't know. I do also like the tweed versions. There's a few tweed versions that are really cute, and I know would look good with my closet. Yeah, I think that's kind of it for this video. I'm definitely becoming more conscious, I guess, with spending this past year, and it's important, right? Like, I'm turning 30 this year. Anyway, that was my video. I hope you enjoyed. Like I said, I'm trying to pick this back up and make fun videos again, so see you on the next one. Bye!